Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add new favorite activities for iRobot Roomba. And to do this we'll need to connect this robot to the iRobot app, and I've shown you how to do that previously. Now we want to scroll down, and here we have a favorites tab. You can click on this plus button to add different functions. You can set the color to remind you which function is what, and then now also name it. Then we have Roomba cleaning preferences that you can adjust, and here if you click on it you can change the amount of cleaning passes from 1 to 2. There's also option to adjust the time limit for this action, and that's basically all of the functions right here that we have. So click on create favorite, and you can also actually use it using your Google Assistant, and I don't want that. Now if you click on it, it should begin doing this process, but for now it says something went wrong since my Roomba battery is too low and it can't perform any action. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.